Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to Alankar, the distinguished lecture series at Avenues 2010, the annual International Business Festival of Shailesh Mehta School of Management, IIT Bombay. This year's Alankar was graced by the likes of Mr. Adi Godrej, Mr. S. Gurumurthy, Mr. Subroto Roy, and Mr. Satish Jha. Today, we have with us our very renowned guest, Padma Shri Kamal Haasan. An exemplary actor, director, producer, and a winner of variety film awards as our speaker for Alankar. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion. On behalf of Shailesh Mehta School of Management, I request Padmanabhan to present sir with a bouquet. Thank you, Padmanabhan. I now request Govinda to present Mrs. Karuna Jain with a bouquet. Thank you, Govinda. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been given an impossible task of introducing a legend whose versatile career, overwhelming achievements, and awe-inspiring personality can make me continue to speak for days together. On behalf of Shailesh Mehta School of Management, IIT Bombay, I, Divya Barange, take immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to Padma Shri Kamal Haasan. Dr. Kamal Haasan recently completed 50 jubilant years in the Indian film industry. He has starred in more than 200 movies in all major Indian languages like Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, and Kannada. Dr. Kamal Haasan's trajectory in the Indian film industry exemplifies a prototypical journey. He started as a child artist, continued as a romantic hero, and evolved into one of the best actors that India has ever produced. Born on 7th November 1954 in Paramagudi in Tamil Nadu, Dr. Kamal Haasan's affinity towards excellence in performing arts was evident even as a child. He made his debut in 1960 when he was just 6 years old. He won the National Film Award for Best Child Artist, the first of his National 4 awards. He came back to films in 1972 and yet again, success was not far away. He won the Filmfare Best Actor Award for his role in the Malayalam movie Kanyakumari. The awards and accolades became almost routine, with blockbuster Tamil films that followed like Apurva Ragangal, Moonram Pirai, Nayagan, and Tevar Magan. In 80s, he starred in Hindi films like Ek Duje Ke Liye and Sagar, where the latter fetched him Filmfare Award. In 1989, we saw him in his only silent movie, Pushpak. Through his great acting skills, he proved to the world that the feeling of love, humor, vengeance, disappointment, and sadness can be portrayed by mere expressions and body languages without uttering a word. In the 90s, we saw him in comic films like Michael Madanakamararajan, Sati Leelavati, and Avai Shanmukhi. Finally, he also made his directorial debut in the rib-tickling Chachi 420. His most recent movie in 2008 was the extravagant Dashavataram, in which he played 10 different roles. We've seen him as a writer, director, singer, lyricist, dancer, and producer. It's not that he's just entered each and every facet in the field of cinema, but excelled in all of them. Dr. Kamal Haasan is the most decorated actor in terms of awards in the history of Indian cinema. He holds the record for the most Filmfare Awards and National Film Awards for an actor, which include 4 National Film Awards, 3 awards for Best Actor, and 1 for Best Child Artist. Dr. Kamal Haasan holds a record 19 Filmfare Awards for performances ranging over 5 languages. Without taking any more time, I now request Dr. Kamal Hassan to take the stage and enlighten us with his thoughts.